What is going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be tackling the project of doing the coils on this truck. They're actually fairly simple. The only challenge is really the back couple. But yeah, we've been having like a little sputtering issue in between like 40 and 55 miles an hour, right about third gear when it locks the torque converter there. It likes to sputter under load, and it's been annoying me. And recently, full throttle kind of does it too, where it likes a little sputter a little bit, and you can hear it out the exhaust, which is also not good for our fuel economy, because the last tank of gas I got on this thing, 35 gallons of gas right here, 263 miles on a full tank, 7.5 miles to the gallon. It was shit. It's kind of annoying. I need better gas mileage than that. So I put an order in on some coils earlier at O'Reilly's. I'm waiting for Jake to get off work. He's actually now a mechanic at Firestone. So congrats to him. He's doing what he loves now. Yeah, you know, we'll see him a little bit later. He'll probably talk about it a little bit in this video or whatever. But yeah, I put that order in. Jake's going to come over here. I'm waiting for him, and then me and him are going to go over to O'Reilly's. We'll probably mess around in there for a little bit, find some other shit to buy, because we always find shit to buy. And then, yeah, we'll come back and we'll tackle this job and fire up the heater so it stays a little bit warmer. But yeah, we'll go ahead, and I'm going to skip to when Jake gets here. So basically, Jake is running late at work. He's got stuck or whatever. I don't really know. But I'm going to go ahead and get started here. I went and I picked up our, I only need 6 of them because I've already replaced 2 of them in the past, and I got some grease for it. So I went ahead and I picked up all that, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pull off all of these boots, though, just to give them new dielectric grease and whatever. So I'm going to go down the list. It's just a 7 mil, and just pull each one of them, and we'll take it out and we'll examine each one and see what they're looking like. So just like that, in the matter of a couple minutes, you can see the 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one's black because this one's been changed already. But we went ahead and already got these bolts out. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the same on that side. And then we'll go ahead and yank all these plugs out, or all these coils out, and we'll see how they're looking. Well, I got all of them but that last one, because that last one's actually new back there, and it's also a pain in the ass to get out. So I'm going to leave that one for now. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I think this is the other one that we replaced. It looks fairly new. It's got the boot from the same one as Master Pro over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. But these smell terrible, and you know, you can see some corrosion down there by the holes or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow it out with an air compressor, and it kind of smells pretty burnt, which is kind of nasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and maybe spray a little brake clean down in there, get everything cleaned out, and then yeah, go ahead and grease up these new ones and throw those in. It's a very quick process. It's not too hard at all. Skipping ahead about 20 minutes. The right side is done. All 4 of those are replaced. I'm going to go ahead and hop over to the other side. Jake texted me saying he just got off work now. I don't know what the fuck he was doing. He was twiddling his thumbs or something. This side's all buttoned down. They're all bolted down, all plugged in. So this side should be good. I'm going to start on this other side. I don't know how I feel about these Master Pro ones. I honestly might go ahead and go put an order in at O'Reilly's and get some Motorcraft ones and just return these. I just feel I'll feel a little bit easier off with myself if I got some, you know, Motorcraft ones. But I mean, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on to the other side now. Well, just like that, guys, another 10-15 minutes went by. I'm completely done now. Everything is wrapped up. I cleaned everything up. All of them are over there in the box in case they need to be returned. I don't know. I'm a little skeptical. I'm a little not. I don't know. It all depends. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the truck. I'll sit in it for a little bit. I'll run the monitoring on it and see if, you know, we run into any issues with any codes or anything. We'll see what our monitors read, see if everything is actually okay or not, and I'll let you guys know what happens in the meantime. What is going on, guys? We're actually skipping ahead quite a bit. We are probably a week, 2 weeks out from when I actually filmed the beginning of this video. I'm gonna hop in here and just make a little intervention and just explain about you're about to watch, because it doesn't really make sense. But side note, going back to the coils, I actually did take all those coils out, and I'm gonna go to Master, whatever, Motorcraft, not Master. Motorcraft coils. I have an order in at O'Reilly's on those. I'm going to be getting those. We'll be switching, you know, we'll be putting those new ones in soon enough. That'll probably be in one of the coming videos. Jake still has a video he's going to put up about rebuilding his whole suspension. he's been, working or whatever. He's supposed to edit his own videos, so that's why it's been taking a little while. He doesn't do much of the editing. I'm here editing the video right now. I figured I would jump in here and explain what you're about to see because it kind of just cuts into it, and you'll have really no idea what you're watching. Basically, we have this big car group for around here. Bunch of our buddies, bunch of truck owners, bunch of car owners. I mean, you'll see anything and everything in here. We got Honda Civics trying to drift. I don't know what that's about, but you'll see Ripka. He's got the big white Duramax. He whips it around in here. It's a good time. We go to these parking lots and such when it snows. We run these groups when they're at car meets and such. We all hang out together. So basically what you're about to see is we had snow a couple times since this video, since the coils were recorded. And, we all meet up later at night and we all go to these parking lots and we park and whatever. And, we get everything. We just have a good time, drift, have fun, whatever. Everyone sits with light bars on. So that's basically what you're going to see is me sitting in the truck, recording out of the truck. You'll see a bunch of other people driving by or whatever. You'll listen, you'll hear turbo whistles, everything. It's a good time. So I figured I'd throw some of those clips in here and I'll put some music over it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So with that being said, I'm going to cut to that now.
He's hitting 60?
Yeah, at least.
Oh, curve.
Oh, so fucking close.
Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends. Too many people be calling. I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle. I'll never be going to switching it up. Rocking with the people who will follow me when I never thought it would have happened. That I never got love. Now they want to piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away. Find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there if you wanna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my two hands. If you wanna talk, I need two bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends. Ain't about money, it's about being loyal. Cause when I had nothing, they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed. Material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, making memories worth millions. Goddamn, part of the plan. Do what I do and I do it for them. 7 a.m. and I'm going to bed. I can't let the competition get ahead. I've been going like I never gotta run. I wanna stop it. I've been thinking about the people who be talking about they love it, and I know I gotta keep on winning. Never gonna give into the negative energy, cause I gotta go and get a foot up. Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been built and been hard to deal with. I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of the shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. Gotta keep on real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat I know.
Aaron, everywhere Maya goes.
Working on every night and most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, no I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been
There's 7 different cars going over there.
I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been fighting all along. They gon' notice when I'm gone.
This is a continuation of the last video. I really don't know when this video will go up, what will all be in it. It's kind of been a mess lately. We haven't really been able to do a lot of truck stuff and car stuff just because of how cold it is. But yeah, I got some new headlights today. Well, headlight bulbs. We put new headlights in last time. So we actually got some aux beam headlights here. They're bright as all hell, or they're supposed to be. And then we have some more LEDs here that I might switch out for these daytime running lights over here. It all depends on how bright they are because I don't want a super bright daytime running light. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. All we have to do is just unbolt it and then twist our plugs out and plug the new ones in. Very simple process. I'll show you guys a before and after. So I'll do one side and then leave the other one and we'll see what it looks like. And yeah, we'll come back. You guys can see how filthy the truck is. Even though, you know, I got it washed like 4 days ago or something, but it's whatever. It's absolutely freezing out here. It's like 15 degrees if I'm lucky, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and get this over with so I can get back inside. Hey guys, didn't take me more than like a half an hour. It was honestly the hardest part was the polarity of the bulbs. I just had to flip them a couple times just to get them right or else they wouldn't work. So basically, we have our new aux beam 7Ks in here. We have our new LED little bulbs over here. They're actually not as bright as I thought they were. I actually bought these ones to be license plate lights. I thought these were reverse lights for some reason. So they're actually, you know, not that bright, but they're white, so it looks a lot better up front. Everything's bolted back. Everything aligns properly, you can see. And most importantly, we got rid of all the yellow bulbs. So now everything on the truck is LED, and I'm very happy about that. Actually, these headlights are HID, but it's the same thing. I mean, there's really no difference in between them. It's just a shorter shaft to it, so it actually fits in the projector. But yeah, with that being said, I'm going to wait till tonight to obviously align them because I can't really see right now to align them. But yeah, I didn't really record much of the install process just because it's cold out here. I got this heater set up on the engine bay that I've been using to keep my hands warm so I can actually, you know, keep working. But with that being said, I'm done here. I don't know if there will be anything else in this video, but if there is, I'll cut to it now. If not, we'll cut to the outro. So I'll see you guys then. All right, I'm checking in here to film this outro really quick because I'm just wrapping up this video now. I realized I never showed you guys the headlights. They're pretty bright. They're ice white, really good look. I love it. It matches the fog lights finally. It's very bright. I still haven't aligned them. I haven't messed with it really at all. So I'm gonna have to get out there and do that pretty soon, probably within the next day or two, just because they're not aligned very good. The one is like pointing straight down to the right and the other one's kind of like just straight down. It's pretty odd, but yeah, I'll align those and then it should be pretty well visibility wise. Those daytime running lights on the side or the parking lights, whatever, those look a lot better white, I've realized. Still haven't figured out my blowing my fuse issue with my headlights, but I'll take a look into that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little, you know, snow drifting, whatever. I know I didn't have any of me drifting in there because obviously I didn't record and Jake didn't record me doing it. But yeah, with that being said, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below. Lets me know that what I'm doing is working and that people enjoy it and so on. But make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.